where should we go to next? You know, while we're on basketball, I just want to go through some of the posits. Like, so before I was into dunks, one of my good friends, Kumi, she got me into sneakers like basketball shoes kind of back in the day.
Wow.
So let's see here. So
Awesome. Can I have those?
I wonder how many people know what these 5 dots are.
Well, what are we looking at, first of all?
These are Zoom Ultraflights. These are definitely from the early 2000s, probably 2000. I think these are 2002, 2003. But I can't remember what these 5 dots are called, but...
That's not Braille for Nike?
No, it's not Braille for Nike. It's like the Nike Labs, or it actually meant something. And all of the shoes that had this had a certain technology. So for any guards out there who remembers this shoe, because this shoe was one of the most responsive shoes for guards and point guards, and like if you played ball on the court, they were a pain to get your foot in because of all the hard plastic here. But you had all this rigidity.
No, that looks crazy.
You had all this rigidity that when you wanted to cut, these shoes were amazing. I want to say I have these in like multiple colorways.
I didn't notice that when I first looked at it, that it's actually translucent through the front. That doesn't look like the most comfortable shoe, but...
It is. It is when you're on the basketball court. It's so awesome.
The foam does feel pretty nice. Crazy.
Okay, we're going to put this back in.
Okay.
This way. We'll take that out. And then let's go to some of the posits, right? Let's just see where they are.
Dad, I think I'm gonna start a new
Yeah?
pile.
Yes, please. So let's go to the beginning, right? I know there's a box somewhere here, right? So where are the Foamposites, right? I mean, these are probably the most retro shoe ever outside of Jordans, but the original Foamposites, right? So I actually have a pair from '97.
Oh, feel it.
This colorway, and we'll do another video, but it's all cut up. So the funny thing is, playing basketball on these shoes are more known for their streetwear look than anything else. But you can see the foam here. Not as comfortable as the Flight Posit, which we'll show next. Well, we'll keep going. Right, so I think this shoe they made kind of like the Jordan 1 in so many colorways. It was just ridiculous how many colorways they went through.
There we go. You want to be the official shoe displayer?
Yeah.
Okay. No, we're gonna put this one back.
Forget to show them to me, so I can see what
There
the
you
design
go.
is.
You're gonna go skateboarding? You got it.
See ya, girl.
You want to go skateboarding with your sister?
No. He wants to be with... Yeah.
Okay. Help me put these
You'll
boxes
never
over there,
let me get
Max.
my own YouTube channel. I just have to be in someone else's.
Can I see it? Next.
Show it to Sharon.
Yes.
Yep. I'll just put it here. And then, yeah, I mean, people who love posits, it really takes no explanation. White posits, let's see what are these. Okay, a couple more foam posits.
White Posite one.
I used to wear these every day, which is why I buy so many. So we have the original penny, but these are not the original penny because the pennies had the penny symbol and it did not have a swoosh. So these are Foamposites, not pennies. And then that one's Varsity Royal Black. And there are 2 of them. Oh, you know what? Here we go. The penny. And then if we look at them, hold on, we'll put these side by side, right? They are the exact same shoe, except one has the penny symbol, one says Air, no swoosh, has a swoosh.
Oh, Nike.
And the Nike color. They're otherwise the exact same shoe, and of course the clear sole.
Oh, well, they're not the exact same. The soles are totally different.
The soles are totally different, yeah. But I meant just the uppers. Okay.
Wait, this one goes in here, right?
Yes, sir.
And it goes this way.
So funny thing is, you know these are original just from the box being different than these boxes. This one's older. And then now we'll get the Foamposites. So if anybody remembers Spider-Man, the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man, you had the Green Goblin in that one. Look at his shoes and you will find
Whoa!
Nike Foamposite ones.
What?
Sweet.
Yeah, no, legitimately. These are the coolest thing.
Oh, they even have a zipper.
Yep. And honestly, basketball shoe wise, and I haven't played basketball in years, but back in the day, these for me were the most comfortable. When you bounce in these, like when you take a step and your heel pushes down on the foam and you step up, it's literally like being on a Tempur-Pedic pillow or something like that. You feel that bounce
Like
back
Superman?
up.
Or
Yeah, you
Batman?
feel superhuman. It's amazing. But just squeeze this and you'll see what I'm talking about. Like that's the
Oh.
technology. It was, like I said, it probably still is Nike's most expensive technology, and that's why they probably stopped using it. But the sole, when you step down, you actually feel every bounce. And again, it has the whole 5 dots. So I'm gonna look that up in a second here.
Bad dot. What?
You can tell this box is from the 90s.
No wonder it's
You can
beat
tell.
up.
It is, but please be careful. And the funny thing, you see I got the yellow dots, so I think everybody knows where I happen to have that find.
Just do it.
Yep. Okay, so
That's before my time. What's the yellow dot mean?
yellow dot means extra 25% off at Nike Town.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? More Ultraflights. Why are these so big? Oh, 9. These are 11s. The all black ones. Max, will put those back, please. I think I have.
See those? Did I see those already?
Ultraflights, size 11, all black. I was really into the white pearlescent back in the day. Not sure about the baby blue. The baby blue was never me, but the white pearlescent definitely was. And then Foamposites. So, can I see it? Foamposite 8.5 in white
It's a good looking shoe.
and university blue. Max Mine, please. All right. So when it comes to posits, these are an underrated shoe, and I used to have 7 pairs of them. They were, I believe, at one time Nike's most expensive regular production shoe. The Foamposite always was at $195, and this actually eclipsed the 200 mark. And the funny thing is, I was wearing these shoes, like one of the first 5 pairs, when I met Stacy. We were getting on a boat, and I was wearing
Can I
these.
explain? Can I explain? Can I explain?
I'm really scared for you to explain, but please go.
No worries. Hey, so, Mom and Dad met at Auntie Justina's wedding, and they were on a yacht. A boat. And Mom and Dad, well, Dad was drunk. Dad followed Mom all around, and somehow I don't know how Mom found Dad attracting, and damn.
Okay, so not as embarrassing as I thought, but it's the Ultraposite, where you peel all of these off, but the entire shoe is made of that posit material, and you have the carbon on the bottom. Like,
I like how they went to such lengths. They don't do this anymore.
oh no, and like just look at the level to get this mold, to manufacture this mold in how many different sizes.
Because
It's like a motorcycle shoe almost.
I got a pair of Tokyo Jordan 1s that have like the plastic on the Jordan 1 Wings logo.
Yeah.
And they don't protect it. So you get it and it's already scuffed up straight out of the box.
So you could see here, like they angled it down, like you see the mold in the form, and I said like the peel out, the level of detail. So this is by far, like basketball shoe, my favorite shoe, and that's why there's only 2 left. I just couldn't wear it because I wore through the other 5.
So that's what Virgil should have done to all of the red tags. They should say
yeah.
cut off.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So these are Nike Ultraflights, size 8.5, black, ×2. I don't know if they ever retroed them. Like, I would have just kept buying them up to wear. So let's see where we're at here. We went through the laser pack, the Trons, the Jordans, the LeBrons, the Posites. I guess let's stay on the basketball kick before we get to the Dunks and the Air Force Ones, right? Like,
Air Force.
dude, these are funny. Like, who remembers the Nike Shocks? Like, it was supposed to be the new replacement for the Nike Air Bubble and all of that. Vince Carter was the face of the brand. You guys remember this? I bought a pair, never balled in them, just because they looked crazy weird. And I still think they look crazy weird. Yeah, if anybody has thoughts or remember playing in them, like, I'm really curious because I really have no idea.
There's another one like it.
Why do I have these? I'm like, I think
why is the
there's holes in the shoe, right?
Why? Who does that?
Yeah, we should be getting money back because we didn't get the whole shoe.
Why is there?
Let me put this down.
It's all, wait, that's the box. That's on another. Same brand.
So I'm showing this on purpose because.
What's this? Is this a certificate?
Okay, hold on, please. Okay, go ahead. So Max is showing these.
Same exact thing, mix up, not real holes.
So
just
these
in between
were made. So these are Shocks VC3.
Let's see the other side, Max.
And Max is holding the 4. So these are all black. Shocks VC3. Okay. For those who remember these, see how it says the 1-5? So there's his number there. But these were made for the 2004 All Star Game. And depending on where you bought it, you either got the standard Nike box or...
Oh, there we go.
Actually, no, I got it wrong. So 2000,
So
these were the Nike VC4 was 2004, but the VC3 when they made the All Star Edition, which is what this one was, which was in LA. So you see these
That's
colors.
a super cool box.
2004 limited edition. You only got these going to the game. So it says the Rebirth, and it has stitch 2/15/2004.
Wow.
And then they have
box,
like
too.
Venice Beach or something like that.
Oh no!
We're dropping boxes.
Collateral damage.
Go down. I'll pick them up.
So yeah, the box is dope, right?
Yeah, the box is dope.
Why?
Future Hall of Famer. Okay, so we have the VC3. Can you bring this one over, please? Don't worry about those boxes. I'll take care of that. And then also,
I'll put it right here so you can see it.
I believe Kobe, rest in peace at the time.
Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant, at the game, brought back Karachi. And at the game, you have the LA.
Wow.
Another pouch.
Air Zoom Hirachi. So actually, these are really comfortable to ball in too. Super responsive for guards. I'm not really heavy on my feet. And the one I have an all black one that's all leather upper, like really thick leather. Super breathable in it. The only thing I didn't like was the Velcro.
How about this one over here?
So yeah, these are dope. This is what Kobe wore on the All Star Game. Like now it's like, well, now I think about it. You hand this over, and then we have another one. This is a size 11.5. Another Air Zoom Hirachi 2K4, but a size 11.5. The LA All Star.
That's a precarious stack you're making. I feel like that's going to come tumbling down.
Okay, so that one's a size 11.5.
You could build a corn maze out of shoes.
All right, let's see what else. So let's see if there's anything else special coming on here. Oh, we forgot one Posite, right? So my brother John,
Uncle John.
huge Uncle John to Max, is a huge Charles Barkley fan. He loves Chuck.
Chuck Norris?
No, Charles Barkley, and then his nickname is Chuck. So he has all the original like CB 34s, Charles Barkley 34s, and then they went to CB 4s. Not to be confused with the Chris Rock movie.
Oh my
CB4.
gosh, that's what this Chuck is? I
Yeah.
had no idea. I saw these earlier. I was like, who's Chuck?
Charles Barkley. They look like something out of
Those are cool,
Naruto,
man.
right?
Those are
And then you
super
see
cool.
the CB for Charles Barkley.
Why does it look like he's taking a dump?
Matthew,
What is he
can I say
doing?
something?
No, he's boxing out.
Can I say something?
But if you see here, it says it's stitched in Charles Barkley. What would you like to say, Matt?
Dude, these are really cool looking shoes.
I mean,
What it looks like from Naruto.
what does it look like from Naruto?
From Naruto, it looks like the Jutsu in the 4th grade Ninja War, or part 5. It looks like when it was either someone from the Hidden Cloud Village used a Gekka Genkai and combined a Jaguar power and a lightning power into a dark
These
I'm
could
shocked that
drop
the clear
tomorrow and they would
soles.
still be.
Oh yeah.
No, these and how old do you think these are?
This one is newer than these, so these are probably like 2008 is my guess. Oh, too high, please, too high.
I mean, these are definitely icy hot approved right here.
Oh yeah.
These are probably my favorite looking pair that you've pulled out so far.
I mean, these. Chuck's a beast, man. He was back then. Love him now on TV. Funny as heck. You get the truth. All right, can you put these Max? Anti-Tran? All right, so I think that kind of covers the posits, right? We have, we'll just quickly open this. We have one more Ultraflight. That's the black and white. So you saw the all black, the white and orange, and now we have the,
It has the
white
5
and
dots.
blacks.
5 dots.
It has the 5 dots. That's how much I loved playing basketball in these shoes. Had all the colors. Bring these over, please.
I thought you said you don't play baseball.
What is this one?
It's another.
We're actually, I think we're making progress. It looks like we've cleared maybe 50%
Yeah.
at this point.
75.
So we're only gonna be here till midnight.
Yeah. Oh, these were the all leather. I bought these in Hong Kong.
Dude, this 5 dot thing, like this theme is
no,
like.
there's it's a Nike Lab something or another. So I bought 2 of them in Hong Kong because I never saw the all leather one, and I wear one and this one I didn't wear because we had a pickup game, like a street pickup game in Mongkok, and I remember and I was like, well, I don't have basketball shoes, and I saw this, so I picked up 2 pairs.
So you balling these?
Not this one.
You got scuff marks?
There's another set in the closet which we can go look at. Let me put this here. Oh, we're definitely making a dent. Let me just see if there's anything pretty cool here. Like, oh, you know what? Since we're on the Hirachis, thank you for shopping with Nike.com. These were the 2K5. So the Hirachi 2K4s I thought were amazing. Like, they represented the vintage. They brought back some newer stuff. And then they made these. I think that's the Hirachi logo. Kind of looks like the Kobe logo.
Who's the 8?
I mean, who's the 8?
There's the
Size
8? Oh, is that the size?
Oh, no.
They put the what?
No. These are probably made for Kobe at the All-Star. These are the All-Star Game
Okay.
colors, so it's Kobe's 8. Sorry, I just noted it was size 8 too. So this is probably the 2005 All-Star Game edition. Just by the colorway, you know it's the All-Star Game edition. The red, white, and blue was always the All-Star Game. And I remember I was also disappointed that it didn't come in a cool box like the LA box did. Yes, of course you can. Enjoy it. Max, would you like to go on a bike ride with them?
No, he wants to be in the video.
Okay.
Thought you were gonna cut me out.